So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy FLR, ticker symbol FLR, on Kraken. So once Kraken is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the bottom right, press on Buy Crypto. Then in the search bar right here, type in ticker symbol FLR, and then press on FLR. On this page, type the amount of FLR you're looking to buy. So if I wanted to do $20 as an example, I'll type in 20, and then proceed by pressing on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price being paid, the fee, and the total, as well as the payment method. In this case, for me, Apple Pay as an example. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press confirm, and proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy FLR, ticker symbol FLR, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.